After you've captured all of the flanges for a survey, AutoMet will move on to circle fits. These allow you to find the center of the pipe in a particular location. Circle fits are not necessary for finding a pipe spool's overall dimensions. These are found by measuring the flanges or ends. But if a physical length between the fittings is required, then capture circle fits. You might capture circle fit points when a significant error with no apparent cause is found when measuring the flanges. The pipe centers found by the circle fit observations may help show the location of the problem. Circle fits can also allow the software to orient the spool when it's not clear from the flanges alone. The blue spool is an incorrect fabrication, but the survey results showed low error because it can be rotated to fit. A single circle fit would have shown the fabrication error. To capture circle fits, place the prism ball against the pipe and hold still till the system captures the data point. Go around the pipe diameter and get the best coverage possible. The default number of points is set to 3, but this can be changed in the settings if you have a larger pipe. Use the slider to select the number of circle fits required. You can also capture parts of the data from different setups. In this survey, for example, we set the number of required circle fit points to 6. We captured 3 of the circle fits from one side of the spool and the other 3 from the other side. This can of course only be done if you move the instrument as per the moving procedure. When we look at a visual report in Analysis, we can see where the circle fit measurements have been taken by looking for the C-numbered labels. We can choose to show and fit the circle fit data using the checkboxes. By default, the circle fit centers are used in the fit analysis. If you uncheck these boxes and select Apply, the report now fits to the pipe ends or flanges and excludes the circle fits from the fit.